Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Over the years, as I have tried to grow and progress in the spiritual life, there's a question that I've asked myself over and over again. And that question is, what is that flaw, that weakness in me that I don't want to admit to myself and that I don't want the people around me to see? And this process is somewhat like peeling back the layers of an onion. It's a painful process. It's a process that, if taken seriously, never ends. But it's a process that, as it goes on, it diminishes the difference between that image of myself that I project to others and the real me. So why do this? Why look for those flaws in us that we don't want to admit? I believe that when we are able to do that, we come to know ourselves, all of ourselves, more fully. We come to know the whole truth about ourselves. And when we do that, we can then come to accept everything about ourselves, the good and the not so good. And we can then be the type of person who others say about us that what you see is what you get. And at the end of the day, I believe that this process has made me a healthier, a happier, and I certainly hope a holier person. Thank you once again for watching, and have a great day today.